today's video, we will cook marinated chicken and baked milkfish. So for our chicken, we marinated them in salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and some soy sauce, and of course the lemongrass. So for our baked milkfish, we just mix all the ingredients such as the mayonnaise, the cheese, salt, pepper, tomato, onion, and garlic. And ayan, let's spread all over the milkfish. The mixed ingredients such as tomato, onion, garlic, topped with cheese and mayonnaise, and then some bell pepper. And there it goes, our baked milkfish and chicken. Yummy!